LVR, music! Yes, the current champion. Let's find out why. Starting out with a bottle and a shaker. Hey, hello. Are you sure? Bottle shaker. Moving it now around the world. Nice switch. Behind the back switch. Oh, bottle shaker there. Warming up. Around the world. Nice move. Behind the back, that's top. Shadow pass. Nice fighter. Overhead catch behind the back. Another shadow pass right there. Bit of a switch. A shadow. Bottle shaker routine. Stalling it. Around the world in a stall. And a basket. Bottle shaker still. Alright. Behind the back. Oh, nice. A shadow snatch. Smile lang. Bumping it. Basket. Palakpakan naman kasi ninyo. Hindi. Kuyap daw siya. Galing sa trabaho yan. One bottle, Susan. Oh, nice multiplex. Snatching it. And another snatch. Hey! Easy does it. Come on up there. One bottle, two shakers around the world. Four bottles. Come on. Four bottles. Collins there. Shuffling it. Up. Ano pamatay natin? Nice filter catch. And a stall by there. This year's champion for Flair Extreme competition for Wolfpack 2007. And ito, limang po. Ito yung kapakatay niya. Walang kumarap. May kumarap. Again. Come on, baby. Palakpak naman dyan. Flipping it. Nakan. Ito na lang. Isang bote na lang. Shadow pass right there. Basket is good. Hindi daw kasi siya kasali sa contest kaya ganyan. Dito may yata sumali. Stalling it. 3 bottles. Come on. Around the world in a stall. Ayan. Okay. Nice dismount. 3 bottles. Flipping it. 3 bottles. Figure eight. Nice 3 bottle combo still. Rodeo. Rolling grind. 3 bottles. Up. Abang! Bago yun! With an underleg flip. Behind the back switch. Shoy! Sayang. Alright, 3 bottles still. Nice! Forearm stall. Palakpakan naman natin. May napatunayan na raw siya kaya ganyan. Okay na ba? Okay na? Sige. How about a big round of applause for up near LVR.